DJI Neo Mini Drone Combo. Palm Takeoff and 4K footage made effortless. Ever felt frustrated trying to capture aerial footage, only to have your drone crash, drift, or chew through batteries? You're not alone. Struggling with bulky drones, complicated controls, or shaky videos can kill creativity fast. Drop a comment if you've been there, because the DJI Neo Mini Drone is about to change the game for effortless, fun, and worry-free flying. Deadlines, family trips, or outdoor adventures shouldn't turn into drone stress marathons. Short flight times, constant recalibration, or unstable video can feel like chaos. Imagine if there was a drone that simply followed you, took off from your hand, and captured smooth 4K footage without hassle. With Neo, that dream becomes reality. Intuitive, compact, and ready whenever you are. Meet the DJI Neo Mini Drone Combo, a lightweight powerhouse at just 135 grams, so portable it fits in your backpack or even your pocket. Forget FAA registration hassles. The Neo flies regulation-friendly while delivering 4K UHD stabilized video and crisp 12-megapixel photos. Its Palm Takeoff and Landing lets you launch from your hand with a single push, perfect for hiking, family picnics, or quick vlogs. AI Subject Tracking and QuickShots automatically follow your movements, capturing cinematic footage without fiddling with controls. One vlogger shared how the Neo filmed a solo beach run with perfectly smooth, horizon-stable video, no operator needed. With the 3-battery combo and 2-way charging hub, you get up to 54 minutes of flight time, keeping adventures uninterrupted. Safety isn't forgotten. Full coverage propeller guards let you dip, dive, and weave confidently. Bonus tip: try voice commands for controller-free fun. Neo will follow your instructions while you focus on creativity. This combo ensures you're fully equipped for immediate aerial storytelling. The DJI Neo Mini Drone isn't just portable, it's your personal aerial cinematographer. Strap it on a backpack or pull it out mid-hike, and you're ready for smooth 4K footage with stabilized, professional-looking results. Industry experts say Neo democratizes aerial content creation, accessible, intuitive, and regulation-friendly. Influencers love the Palm Takeoff and AI tracking. It follows me perfectly for solo vlogs, hands-free, stress-free, cinematic shots every time. Everyday users rave. The carrying case and foldable landing pad make travel effortless, while QuickShots make every shot creative without manual flight. Imagine capturing a birthday, picnic, or sunset hike without worrying about crash landings. The Neo's multiple control options, controller, mobile app, or voice, allow anyone to jump in. One traveler shared how Neo's ultralight design let them bring it on a multi-day trip, creating videos that looked polished and professional. Analysts note that it lowers the entry barrier for drone filmmaking, making aerial creativity accessible to beginners and casual users alike. Which feature would make your flights easier? Palm Takeoff, AI tracking, or 4K stabilization? Comment below. Thousands are discovering effortless, cinematic footage. Once you try Neo, ordinary drones feel outdated. Limited stock. The DJI Neo Mini Drone Combo with carrying case, landing pad, and extra batteries is flying off shelves. Don't miss the chance to level up your aerial footage without complexity or stress. Click now and unlock hands-free AI tracking and cinematic quick shots that make every adventure look like a pro production. Thousands have already upgraded their flights. Why not join them? Secure your Neo today and start capturing smooth, creative 4K videos that you'll love to share.